paano ba na-account ang confidential fund? Yan ba talaga ay may paper ba? Talagang, paano nyo po talaga, kasi parang, syempre, naano lang ngayon sa OVP, but this is not the first time na mayroong confidential intelligence funds. How does one person account for the use of the confidential and intelligence fund? Yung that's above board. How do you account for that?
Opo. Well, actually, the joint circular that applies right now po sa Office of the Vice President is the same joint circular that applies to all confidential intelligence funds. So, bali, ibig pong sabihin po yan, ang requirements po nito ay pare-pareho lang po. And doon nga po kami abala, that's where we're worried. Kasi yung requirements po nila ay, to be frank, napakasimple. As compared to sa mga regular expenses po na usually ang kailangan lang naman ay official receipt para ma-justify ang any expense, dito nga acknowledgement receipt na lang po. So generally, although it is confidential in nature, that means po yung mga evidence and supporting documents for the liquidation ay sinasubmit directly to the chairman of the COA. Nire-review pa rin po ito ng kanilang special unit, yung ICPAO. So, this is just the first time though na talagang na-flag yung confidential fund. And that really goes to show kung gaano ka worrisome ito because acknowledgement receipt na lang po yan. That means it's very easy to justify kung totoo. Yet, na-flag pa rin po ito ng COA. Doon po talaga nagsimula yung issue nito. Because nagkaroon ng AOM at nagkaroon ng notice of disallowance. The notice of disallowance po is yung finding po talaga ng COA na may problema yung expense. No? So when they issue the notice of disallowance, that's very alarming because in the history of the disbursement of confidential intelligence funds, as far as I know po hindi pa po nagkakaproblema. And it's hard to have a problem kasi nga po, madali po yung justification niya supposedly. This is the first time po na nangyari ito.
Susundutan ko lang yan. So for example, ako, di ba, kasi sinasabi nila for intelligence confi fund. Kung ako isang informant ng, sabihin natin ng DepEd, at tapos binayaran ako ng 10,000, so ako lang maglalagay po, ilalagay ko ba yung tunay kong pangalan? Ito po, ako po si Patricia Daza, tumanggap ako, ng 10,000 dahil po, ako po ay nagsumbong na meron pong rini-recruit na NPA po, nakaklase ko. Ganun ho ba? Kadetalye? Kasi yun ang pinaglalaban nila Kaya nga confidential Bakit nila isasaad yun? Bakit nila kailangan maging transparent?
I think based on the form, if we take a look, it's not even ganun po yung kaso dapat paglaban. It's true, you have to sign your real name, your signature, your date, and the amount, and the purpose. Yun yung nakita po natin. And the purpose, actually, the circular is very, very vague. Pwede naman in general. Pwede yung payment for reward of information. Tapos, ikakouple na lang po yung acknowledgement receipt with evidence of success. Meron po ganun. So, meron yung certification na nagkaroon ng success. It doesn't necessarily have to lay out po talaga yung buo. Pero yung problema po natin sa ARs, kahit na yung normal, yung requirement lang po na name, signature, date, amount, and purpose, parang palpak po Kasi tingnan po natin, yung for example, yung nabanggit po natin, yung 2022 justification, 2023 po nakalagay.
Naka-date,
In fact, there was even one, yung date po, November 2022. Wala pa naman pong confidential funds noong November 2022. Minsan may pangalan, walang signature. Minsan may signature, walang pangalan. So what we're trying to say po is that supposedly, ang acknowledgement receipt, kasi nga, di ba, sinabi nga po na confidential funds, hindi naman kailangan i-fully justify. Madaling requirement na lang po ito. Yet there are still red flags. Yun po yung nakikita po namin. And yun po yung nabanggit ng COA. Actually, yun yung findings sila. At kaya, tinake up namin to as early as yung budget deliberations pa lang po. Ngunit at the time, if we recall, sabi po nila, this is not the proper venue. So may mga congressman na nag-file na, i-take up na lang sa GoodGov. Ngayon naman dito tayo sa GoodGov Committee, hindi pa rin po sila nag-attend. So I don't understand po kung ano yung reasoning po dito.
Let's get together, Sunday 25, Sunday 25.